How did your love story begin?
Our love story began unexpectedly. It happened that his cousin became my best friend. We met through mutual friends, and what started as simple conversation slowly turned into something deeper. It wasn't a dramatic start, but it felt natural and real, like we'd know each other forever.
How do you maintain your relationship?
We try to keep things strong by constantly communicating and making time for each other. Even with our busy schedules, we make sure to appreciate the small moments we had, and we always support each other's goals and growth, both as individuals and as a couple.
How do you handle arguments, misunderstanding, and conflicts?
We're not perfect, and disagreements happen, but we've learned not to let pride get in the way. When we argue, we take time to call off, then talk it out calmly. We listen to each other's side without interrupting and focus on solving the issue. What always bring us back to each other was apologies, understanding, and patience.
Ang proyekto na ito ay nagbigay sa akin ng pagkakataon na mas mapalalim ang aking pag-unawa sa mga relasyon at pagmamahala. Habang nakikinig sa kwento ng aking na-interview, napansin ko ang kalagahan ng komunikasyon, tiwala, at pagpapasensya sa isang matagumpay na relasyon. Masasabi ko na ang mga pagsubok at aglitan sa relasyon ay normal, ngunit ang mga ito ay nagre-resolba sa pamamagitan ng bukas na pag-uusap at mutual na pag-unawa. Sa huli, natutunan ko na ang pag-aalaga sa isang relasyon ay hindi palaging madali, ngunit ito ay isang proseso ng paglago at pagtutulungan ng magkakapareha.
Love is not always like in the movies. Real love takes work, patience, and a lot of understanding. I talked to a married couple to learn how they keep their relationship strong after many years together, based on what the couple that I've interviewed. In the beginning, love was exciting and full of romance, but as years passed, it became deeper and calmer. The couple told me their love now feels like strong friendship. They may not always feel butterflies, but they know they can always count on each other. Fights are normal, but how you handle them matters. All couples argue. What's important is how they solve their problems. They apologize to each other. A happy marriage doesn't happen by chance. It is built every day through patience, kindness, and choosing to love even when it's hard, as the couple said.